as a kid, not doing the best of things, not the best son I could be to my mom.
I would use social media and I would compare myself to other girls and look at all the comments and like feel bad about myself.
I struggled a lot with depression. I thought that I wasn't going to amount to anything in my life. And after coming here, everything changed. It was like a light switch. You just flip it on and now I'm this different person.
Like you're focusing on yourself and you don't have to worry about anybody else.
It feels good to like actually earn A pluses and B pluses because I never did that before. And like when I sent that report card home to my mom, oh my gosh, I think she framed it, you know?
First time he helped me clean up something when he got home, I was amazed. I kept getting up and going to look at it. I was like, wow. It shocked me. And it didn't take him any time.
You think you just want to quit because everyone's telling you can't do something, you're never gonna do this because this isn't this, but I mean, look at me now.
Change isn't bad. Change is good. Your life needs to change sometimes, and coming here is what the change I needed to do.
Best of luck to those who feel like they have the courage to change.